Hello everyone, myself Smita Kush from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1 8 of January 2020 question. Question number 17. For fx is equal to log of x square plus alpha divided 7x, Rolle's theorem is applicable on 3, 4 closed interval. The value of f dash c is equal to 4 options are given. This is the problem in the house of Rolle's theorem and also functions. So our given function is fx is equal to log x square plus alpha divide 7x. According to Rolle's theorem, we know one condition f of 3 is equal to obviously f of 4. So applying 3 in term of x, so it becomes log 9 plus alpha divide 21 is equal to log 16 plus alpha divide 28. That implies log is cancelled off. 9 plus alpha is equal to divide 21 is equal to 16 plus alpha divide 28. That implies 9 plus alpha divide 3 is equal to 7 is cancelled off also from denominator. 16 plus alpha divide 4. So cross multiplication we get 36 plus 4 alpha is equal to 48 plus 3 alpha. That implies alpha is equal to 12. Now from Rolle's theorem we know f of c, f dash c is equal to 0 for all c belongs to 3, 4. So now f dash x is what? Differentiating this we get f dash x is equal to 7x divide x square plus 12 into that is 1 by log 1 by this means this is, and differentiating this one we get 2x into 7x plus x square alpha, putting the value alpha is equal to 12, so x square plus 12 into 7, differentiating 7x we get 7, and the denominator becomes 7 square x square. So here x cancelled off, 7 is also cancelled off, and from this 7 and 7 is cancelled off. So 1 by x square plus 12 into 2x square, this is minus, sorry, as because this one is fixed after differentiate 2x, and this is minus also, so it becomes 2x square minus x square minus 12, and denominator only x, as 7 is cancelled off from this. So this becomes x square minus 12 divide x into x square plus 12. Now f dash x is also 0. F dash x is equal to 0 at least 1 point. At least 1 point f dash x is equal to 0. So this one becomes 0. So our f dash x is equal to x square minus 12 divide x into x square plus 12. This is equal to 0. That implies x square minus 12 is equal to 0. That implies x square is equal to 12. Implies x is equal to root of 12. Here this at least 1 point f dash x is equal to 0. Therefore we may say f dash c is equal to 0. The point is c. So here c is equal to, also we may say c is equal to root over of 12. So now the value, now question asks the value of f double dash c is equal to what? So differentiating one more time, it is f dash x, and differentiating one more time it becomes f double dash x is equal to what? It is squaring the denominator x square and x square plus 12. Fix this, it becomes 2x into x cube plus 12x minus x square plus 12. X square plus 12 is here. So and it is 3x square plus x. Now putting c is equal to root 12. So x is equal to, it is obviously f double dash c, we can say. That implies, now putting the eliminated x in term of c, so after so easily we put c is equal to root over 12. Also if x is equal to root over 12, and it becomes 2 into it is root of 12 root 12, and after common x it becomes 2 into 12, and it is x 12 root 12 means x square means root 12, only 12 plus 12 minus it is 12 plus 12, and it is also 3 into 12 plus 12, and the denominator becomes 12 plus 12. After it is 12 plus 12 is 24, and 12 is cancelled off. Here from 12 is cancelled off, and here is one thing, that is it is 12 plus, so it is 12 is cancelled off, and 12 is cancelled off, and it is 24. So finally we get 1 by, that is 1 by 12. So we it is our f double dash c, and it is our required answer. So we reached, and our option is final option is also option 1. So here is the whole solution with problem. Any question, any queries, you should just comment me in the comment box. That's all. Thanks for watching my video.